Okay, everyone, whenever you are in my house, never ever play with my fire alarms. That is a big no. You don't ever do that. If you play with my fire alarms when you are in my house, you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police. So, this is why you do not play with my fire alarms when you are in my house for any reason. Playing with my fire alarms without my permission is against the law in my house. People must respect my property when they are in my house, and do not, under zero circumstances, play with my fire alarms or anything in my house without my permission, or else you will get into serious trouble. Goodbye.